Sid, why don't you get wheels? Sid, why don't you get a bigger turbo? Nah, nigga. I'm out here getting motorcycle gear. What the hell? Oh, shit. So, real talk, what am I doing? So, like I've been telling you guys, if you guys been watching vlogs, you guys been like watching them. You guys been know that I've been falling in love with bikes recently. I'm into bikes now. I love bikes. As a kid, I've always loved bikes, but like now that like I'm old enough, I'm trying to say I can do what I want. So I want to buy a bike. So I'm about to hop on a bike. I literally bought everything that I needed. I bought boots and gloves today, and then this weekend I straight up get my license. I take my MSF course this weekend in like 2 days. So I of course had to prepare. They provide everything in terms of a bike and a helmet, just not gloves and boots. So that's what I had to go buy today. And then gear is just like, it's a test, so I'll be all right, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. I am gonna be one of those people that take like my gear very seriously, because I'm not gonna lie, I value my life. I do not want to die, and I don't want to fall off this bike and hurt myself. Falling off is probably bound to happen. Dropping the bike is probably bound to happen. That's just the reality of this thing. But of course, I don't want to fucking have no skin, nor do I want to break bones. So I'll try my best to prevent that as much as I can by wearing gear and riding safe. So that's what I did today. Bought myself some legit shit besides a helmet. I'm buying a helmet soon. And I want to get this clear. I am not forgetting about Stormy. This is my car, baby. We got big plans for this car. We got big plans for this channel, you feel me? Like I said, I will be getting wheels soon, and I will be getting that big turbo soon. You know what I'm trying to say? We're taking a step up. You know what I'm trying to say? Bike, big turbo, and wheels. All coming very soon, all right? So like I said, man, I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Make sure you guys please comment, like, and subscribe. I appreciate all of you guys. You guys are all dope people. Yeah, I like when you guys comment. It's cool. I like conversating with you guys. So yeah, don't be scared to comment, because it'll be dope as fuck to get a better connection with you guys. You know what I'm saying?
I can never forget about you, baby. I can never forget about you, girl. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. What? Talk to me. Talk to me. Of course, I said to get some real boots, bro. Some real boots. Talk to me. Sorry about my laundry. Talk to me. That's my dog. Talk to me. Whew. These are some real shit, boy. I'm outside. We outside. Talk to me nice. I'm actually so excited. And then these are my gloves. So just some quick little starter gloves. Some boots, because, you know, like, boots are boots, bro. Like, I'm gonna need these shits anyways. Gloves, I guess I can get like gauntlet gloves like later on, but hell yeah, brother, we're outside. I'm so excited. So one of the reasons I'm so excited, like I said, about getting this bike is because, like, as a kid, like, you know, you see things and like you don't really think you can do them in terms of like, oh, like that's for other people. You know what I'm trying to say? Like, that's how I felt about that bike, was like, that's just not like my thing, that's for other people. But like now that I'm old enough to do whatever I want, you know what I'm trying to say, in terms of like in my ability, and I think I have the ability to do it. Or I do have the ability to do it, so we're going to make it happen, you know what I'm trying to say? So I'm excited. It's going to be sick as fuck. What a journey I'm going to get on, and what a journey this channel is about to be with the bike and the car. So we're getting lit. We're about to get lit. I want everyone to know right now that I am Hemi. I am Hemi. Nah, this is fucking lit. You guys have no idea how much fun I'm having. A bike is literally coming within the next couple months, bro. You have no idea.
Good morning, everyone. Today is a beautiful day. Today is actually a fantastic day, believe it or not. Today I'm going to go get a dyno test. I've been long talking about the dyno for quite some time now, so today is the day. I actually just swapped the map to E50, so now we're actually pushing E50 in the car. Let me double check. I'm gonna show you guys on the map, or on the app. And I'm actually at E59. So I pumped a little bit more on purpose, just because by the time I get there, I'll probably lose like a gallon. I'll probably like lose like a tick of gas. So we're at E60, E58 right now. You know what I'm saying? So we're just gonna keep that, and we're gonna go get a dyno. And this is actually my first time swapping to the E50 tune. So I'll let you guys know how I feel. I might pop the POV on my head. I'll see how it goes. But yeah, let's get it. Honestly, bro, just alright, Gabe's behind me, so he's gonna like slow me down for a second. Alright. So it's like a 60 to 120. know what I'm saying? But that was that. Do I think she's any faster than E30? I feel like it's more responsive than E30. I wouldn't say like any significantly faster. There's enough room. I'm gonna try another one. Not like 60, but oh, I can. Yeah, I have enough room. I'm gonna go to 60 again. Get one more for you guys. That was third gear. All right, third gear, 60 roll. This time I'll do anti-lag. That was that. I do feel like that's a little bit faster than E30, honestly. Just a little bit faster. So since we're getting a dyno, you guys just saw that little pull. How fast do you guys think the Supra is? Comment down below before I get this dyno, how fast you think she is. Let me know. Oh, I'm gonna do that. All right, I'm gonna get one more in here then. Hold up. Get the sports display going for you guys. Hold up. All right, this is fourth gear, 70 miles. Thing says 531. My foot's to the floor. 524. All right, I was moving just then. I'm not gonna cap with you. I was moving just then. And the max that I saw that go off was 524, 531. All right, let's see if this computer's accurate. 531. Let's go, baby. That was my guess. I texted Nigel, and I'll show you guys a text before this. I even did this. I guessed 535 today. So that was 531. I guessed 531 before I even saw that. So you guys drop your numbers what you guys think. So we pulled up here to track out performance. And we're out here getting the dyno test for Stormy, like I said, man. I'm excited. Never done a dyno before in my life. Never even been around a dyno in my life. So it's about to be sick as hell. So on the way here, you guys saw, my guess was 535. I had it, when I saw the sports display, I was like, you know, looking at the road and looking at that at the same time. I saw 531. What are you thinking?
Oh, me?
Yeah, what are you thinking?
Like 5 something.
Nah, you think it has to be,
550, I'll say 550.
You think 550, okay. All right. I think it's like 530. And then Nigel said like 525. So, yeah, we're all in the same kind of range. You know, somebody's gonna hit that number. Oh, I'm hyped. All right, I think we're getting this thing started. He got it strapped on. I'm excited. 535, let's get it. That's what I'm calling, 535. Bro, like I said, I've never even seen a dyno jet, nonetheless a hub dyno. To my knowledge, a hub dyno will give me like the engine power, you know what I'm trying to say? Which is like, I don't know, it doesn't matter. At least I get some type of dyno. And then like a normal dyno jet, whatever it is, like your typical dyno, will just give me like it's more accurate for like the wheel horsepower, you know what I'm saying? We'll find out whatever I get. You guys will see, you guys make your own judgments and your own decisions on that, but yeah.
The last Supra that I did was like 600 horsepower.
Wow, yeah, that's fun.
Yeah, there was a couple bolt-ons here and there, but that was obviously the automatic transmission. And on the manual, like I said, I've never done one, so I'm looking up the spec for it right now to see what gear. I'm pretty sure it's 4th gear.
Okay.
I just want to confirm them.
Hell yeah, man.
So that we know the 1-to-1, that way we're not cheating.
Right. That's cool, I'm excited, dude. That's it. So you guys heard it there. He knows that he's done. He said the other Supra he's done was 600 horsepower, so with a few bolt-ons. So we'll see what we're making today. Like I said, my guess is 535. His guess is 525. So I'm excited, man. It's gonna be cool as fuck. Follow Steven, Tracked Out Performance. If you guys are down here in Miami, anywhere in Homestead area, just Miami in general, South Florida, he's the man to go to for that dyno, man. He'll help you. He'll get you right.
The dyno to the engine RPM, what is called drive speed.
Okay.
So pretty much, I don't have to put the tachometer on the spark plug like a lot of other dynos do. I can pretty much read engine RPM by what the axle speed is.
Okay.
So I'm gonna do that first, set it up, and then once I set it up, I'm gonna set up the dyno so I can have a start speed, finish speed, and then time on the ramp.
Yep.
And then we're pretty much ready to go, right?
Say less, man. That's fire. Uh-oh, you them shit start turning. She's turning. Oh, shit. Oh. Fuck, I don't have headphones. rotation check, just making sure the gearing ratio is correct for what we need to. So, this is check one. I'm not going deaf today.
Oh shit.
We're gonna let it cool down and hit it again, but
Oh fuck.
that was run number one. 520. Alright, so I was expecting 535, but we'll keep it up. Let's see what the next one's up to.
520, and then it's 539 foot-pounds of torque.
And 539 at torque. You guys see that? That's fire. Oh shit.
When I first put the first Supra on the dyno, I had so much problems because I was trying to figure out how to put the car on dyno mode.
Right.
And I thought it was like the other BMWs, but it wasn't. And I tried, and eventually the guy had to go to the dealership to get it, the ECU pretty much unlocked again, because they put it in like a complete lip mode.
Oh fuck.
So yeah, this is the trick now.
Oh okay.
You look at YouTube, and I looked and I searched, and no one had it.
Right.
They had the process of how to do it, but they're all missing one step in the end of the video, and that was kind of like the one step that was so stupid that would cause the car every once in a while to go into limp mode. So first is press the start button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then you hold the I guess this is the odometer button.
Right.
So you gotta do it quick. I did a little slow to try and show you how to do it. 1, 2, 3. Hold.
Oh.
And then it's gonna go into this like other background mode. You have to keep holding it.
Yeah.
Then it's gonna come out the auto light. You keep holding it.
Oh, I've never seen that before actually.
Yeah, exactly. You keep holding it, and then it's gonna come out to that identification setting. Now you can let go. Click, chassis dyno mode.
What the hell?
Then you hold it for a couple more seconds. All right. Now it's telling you want to put it in what is it called mode?
Like the traction completely
traction
off.
control mode. Click it off once.
Shit.
There you have it off. This is usually where the video ends on YouTube. You have to confirm it one more time. Confirm it. Screen turns off. It beeps at you, and then you're able to start the car.
Oh, what the hell? That's pretty sick, man.
Yeah.
So I knew that you go in diagnostic mode. I didn't know that. I've seen that there's a hidden menu, but I didn't know all that, man.
Yeah,
That's
you have to
crazy.
press it 3 times, like I said, and then hold the odometer button.
Oh shit.
Warnings here and there. It's just part of the procedure of the dyno mode when BMW freaks out with all their sensors and everything.
Hell yeah, right? One tiny thing around this whole thing freaks out.
Yeah, literally.
Stormy's stupid loud for no reason.
I'm kind of sad. 511. More torque, but 511. Was it because I was sitting in it? Nah, I'm just playing. He said it was because it's hotter. Makes sense. The first run's probably a more cleanest because it is like, it was warm, but not stupid hot. We're beating off red line, you know what I'm trying to say? So that's that. Thanks, man. That's fire. Talking about it. So the number obviously went down, and that's because the car's hotter. Makes sense, you know what I'm trying to say? Like, I get that one good pull, and that's about it, you feel me? So we were talking about it, and we're thinking about next mod, might be meth. I might do meth injectors, I might do like water meth, like I don't know. But that'll help with the cooling, that'll add more power, and it's like not like cheap, but it's like affordable. So we'll see about that. I think that might be the next mod, along with flex fuel. Who knows? We'll see what's up with it. But that's along the lines of what's happening next. And then on top of that, wheels. It cranked over. This shit sounds absolutely evil.
Tracked out performance, baby.
Oh my god. 1300. I'm over here looking at this beauty. Oh, bro. I love all the fabrication you guys do. That shit's crazy, man. I love how it comes on the top too. That's nasty, man. You say 800 to the wheel, probably? 880 is nasty. That's nuts, bro. This shit flies off the rim. Oh, this is fun, bro. You see the sequential too? No. Oh, this one's H-pattern. That one's sick. Oh, that one over there? Oh, okay, okay.
Over there's
The sequential. Ah, this is tough, man. This is so cool.
It's still running the stock ECU. And everything else is custom.
Fire, bro. Oh, shit. Look at that wind up. Damn. That's fire. On the slicks, front wheel, all-wheel drive. Nah, that's nasty. That's cool. That's crazy, man. Who knew a Subi would sound that nasty? So we're back at Shallow Designs. We got Nigel jacking up the car again. I'm here again because I gotta get brakes. We gotta get brakes. So I'm going to Daytona this weekend. So for a little car show, car meet, some cool ass shit up in the beach. You feel me? So I had to get fresh oil, which I did. And Summer's been needing brakes, so it's about that time. So yeah, we're doing your brakes today. What do you think of these numbers? Talk to me, Nigel.
520. It's pretty close to what I thought. Honestly.
Yeah, Nigel guessed the closest.
The torque, I thought it would have been a little bit more torque.
Ah,
I'm not gonna lie.
that's how I feel
Look,
too.
This
Yeah.
line is so smooth, bro. That is so good.
Yeah, you're right. It like you know what I'm saying. That shows that Boomod OTS over the map tunes are like good for this car. Like you know what I'm saying. Like it's efficient. Like it does great power bands. Like that's a prime example, especially for the manual. Light flywheel, bro. The best part. Hold on, I'm gonna pause this. I got a dyno because this build that I have with all the parts that I have is very achievable, realistically. Like a full exhaust, a wing, you know, cosmetic shit, and then like intake, and then an OTS tune, and then of course if you have the manual, an upgraded flywheel and the clutch master's clutch. You know what I'm saying? That's of course whatever clutch you want. But so like my build is relatively affordable if you're able to have the Supra and do whatever you want to. You know what I'm saying? Oh, and of course like the build steam that doesn't encompass like engine and performance. So like 520 like with just normal bolt-ons. You feel me? So there you go.